Very good morning, student. As we are discussing about rectification of error, now we are going to discuss about one-sided error. What is one-sided error? If the errors take place at one side of the account, only in one account, that is called one-sided error. What kind of one-sided error? Like wrong posting, wrong balancing, wrong totaling. This is called one-sided error. How we solve the error of one-sided? Being given the question, we solve with the suspense account. So we are using suspense account for solving one-sided error. But before solving the question of one-sided error, we must know that all the assets and expenses, account always having debit balance. Okay, if we sorting out the error, we have to increase the balance of any account having a debit balance, then we make debit to this account. If you have to decrease the balance which account is having debit balance, then it will be credited in entry. In the same way, all the liabilities and income, they are all having credit balance in this. If any account having a credit balance, for rectifying the error, you have to increase the balance of that account, so it will remain same. Like you have to increase the balance of credit account and it will remain credit. If you want to decrease the balance, this account is having credit balance, that will be debit in the entry. The base is that this is the base of the balance of the account. If you want to increase the balance of that account, whatever balance they having, you have to remain in the same position. If you want to change the balance, it will come to the reverse position. If any account having debit balance, you want to increase the balance, it will be debit. If you want to decrease the balance, it will be credit. In the same way, any liabilities always having a credit balance. If you want to increase the balance of the liabilities or incomes, then it remains credit. If you want to decrease the balance, then it become debit. Now see here, we are discussing some question here, like the total of sales book is undercast by 1,000 rupees. Means the balance of sales book is decreasing by 1,000 rupees. How the error will be rectified? When we increase the balance. Sales is having credit balance, and then we have to increase the balance of sale. What we do sales will remain credit. And what account will be debit in the reverse side? It will be suspense in the one side. So rectified entry stand for suspense account debit to sales account. How much? 1,000 rupees. Narration being error rectified. Okay. The question says the balance of sales book is undercast, decreasing. We have to increase the balance. Sales is having credit balance. So for increasing the balance of credit account, it will remain credit. That is why sales being credited here. Now we come to the next one. Next question is there. The purchase book is overcast by 5,000 each. The balance of purchase book is by default increasing. You have to decrease the balance of purchase book. Purchase is having which kind of balance? Debit balance. If any account is having debit balance, you have to decrease the balance, so it become credit in the entry. Then purchase account will be credit. What account will be debit? Suspense account. The entry stand for suspense account debit to purchase account. Okay, how much? 5,000 rupees. Now we are discussing about the next entry. The total of sales return book is added short by 3,000 rupees. Means the total of sales book is added short is less by 3,000 rupees. How the error will be rectified? If we increase the balance of sales account, sales return account. Now sales return account is having which kind of balance? Sales return account is always having a balance of debit balance. Okay, and if any account having debit balance, you have to increase the balance, so it will be in entry. What will be? It will debit. Then the entry stands for sales return account debit to suspense. Okay, how much? 3,000 rupees. Now we come to the next entry. Entry number 4. The total of sales book is overcast by 10,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Means balance of sales book is by default is increasing. You have to decrease the balance of sales to rectify the error. Sales is having which kind of balance? Sales account is always having a credit balance. So for any account having credit balance, you want to decrease the balance of that account, it become debit. Now here sales account will be debit. And the entry stands for sales account debit to suspense account. Okay, how much? 1,000 rupees. Okay, you know sales account always having credit balance. If you are making it debit, then the balance of sales account will be decreasing. Next question is wages paid 5,000 rupees not posted to wages account. Whenever you paid wages, entry stand for wages account debit to cash account. So where it go to the when we making a posting, it go to the debit side of wages account. We have not debited wages account, so wages account balance will be decreasing. And how the debit balance will be increased? When the account will be debit. Then entry sign for it's a one-sided error. Only we forget to post in the wages account, and then we making an entry wages will be debit and wages account debit to suspense account. How much? 5,000 rupees. Next, being given there, cash paid to Ram, not posted to the account. Cash we are paying cash to Ram, entry some cash account debit to Ram. We are not posting to the Ram account. Ram in entry Ram will be credited. We forget to credit it. Means the balance of credit account is decreasing. So for increasing the balance of credit account, his account will be credit. Whose account? Ram account will be credit. What will be debit? Suspense account. What? It is a one-sided error. Only we made a mistake in Ram's account. So 90 cent for suspense account debit to Ram. 5,000 rupees. Okay. Being error rectified. In that way, the one-sided error can be sorted out. You can see the question from your book and you do the question on based on that. I hope you understand. Tomorrow for the next classes we will discuss about double-sided error and we sort out some questions based on that. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you very much.